one. Okay, so photosynthesis, respiration and digestion end products we have seen. Now moving to the next part, what do you mean by excretion? So we have seen the definition. Now let us see the history background, where from it is derived. This word called as excretion. Okay, it is derived from a Latin word, and in Latin. Okay, so what do you mean by excretion? Ex means out, cre means shift. That is shifting the materials outside our body. That means throwing or eliminating or removing the waste from our body is nothing but what we call it as excretion. So that is how the word is given, excretion from Latin word. Okay, now excretion in human beings. So what type of the substances are removed from our body, particularly in human beings? So toxic wastes are produced. Okay, water content may increase and ionic balance, that is homeostasis we call it as, may be disturbed if these waste materials are not removed. So we are told just now metabolic activities take place in our body. So different type of metabolic reactions will take place. Then whatever the wastes are produced, they are to be removed from time to time if they are stored in our body. Okay, if they are not removed, then it causes so very danger to the life of the organism, might be human being or an animal. Okay, like that. So time to time discharge of the things should be done. So toxic wastes are produced. Okay, water content may increase, the ionic balance is to be maintained. Okay, the reason for removing this, okay, to maintain. So this type of work will be disturbed if the wastes are not removed from our body. So what do you mean by ionic balance here? So nothing but according to our diet what we take. So we have told, just now we have told, so we take the vitamins and minerals also. In the minerals, if we say, we take different type of the salt. So particularly sodium chloride, what we call it as, okay, NaCl, sodium chloride, table salt we call it as, okay, common table salt. So this is one type of the salt compulsorily everyone takes up. Okay, if there is an imbalance in this sodium and chloride salts or ions and all, so that time it results in. So generally we see in summer season, so because of the severe sweating, overheat and all, so whenever we wander outside, so there will be profuse sweating which results in the imbalance in the body. Too much of sweating means, so our body balance is disturbed. Salts are removed from our body, or during dehydration process, or during, if you have seen, during diarrhea, so severe vomitings and motions. So what happens? The salts are lost from our body. So then the person becomes unstable. So immediately we go for ORS, oral rehydration solution. What does it contain? Nothing but the salts required for our body. So once we take, again we get the stability. So that type of natural balance is to be maintained, which is called as homeostasis. So this gets disturbed if the wastes are not removed from time to time. Okay. So what type of nitrogen compounds are formed in our body? Just now we have seen. Let us repeat once again important things. So ammonia, urea, uric acid, bile pigment. Just now we have told what is that? Bilirubin, bilirubin. Okay, and excess salts are to be removed. So all these are important. Most dangerous should not be retained in our body, should be removed from our body, should be shifted from our body, should be thrown out from our body. Okay, so the most poisonous among all these substances is the dangerous substance is the ammonia, NH3, highly poisonous substance which is ammonia. Okay, now to understand more in detail about how much toxic they are, how much danger they cause in our body, so we are given one report. Okay, blood analysis and urine analysis. Okay, you can see, if you turn the page, you can see the Department of Biochemistry. Okay, blood report and urine report of a person are given. So common ranges are given there. Okay, and what are the actual standard values taken by seeing the blood report and the urine report. Okay, so the last one here values given are the standard values a normal person is supposed to have. But now the patient who is there, whose blood sample is taken or the urine sample is taken, two tables are given. Okay, so if you see, almost nearly 13 to 14 different type of the substances are present in our blood and urine, or you can see in the textbook what are the different type of substances. Maximum of them are same in both in our blood report and the urine report. If you concentrate in the blood report, try to match each and every particular substance there. Okay, it may be the glucose, it may be the different type of the salts. See what is the value, reported value, what is the common value, and why I have written particularly these three things. So if you particularly trace out there, you can find some three substances which are more than the required level. So in the given sample of a person's blood report, so you can trace out. So there is a most dangerous substance called as a 3 creatinine. Okay, and according to the report given, it is said that 2.8 milligrams per deciliter, this much quantity is present, but how much it should be in a normal person? 0.6 to 1.5. So 2.8 means it's almost double to that. Okay, that means more than required levels. So it is a signal, it is a sign for a danger symbol. Okay, so creatinine, which is to be between 0.6 to 1.5, it is reported to be as 2.8, means most dangerous level. Next, coming to uric acid, you see. Okay, normal range it should be between 3.0 to 5.0, but what is the reported value given? 7.50 milligrams per deciliter. Mg means milligrams, dl means deciliter. Okay, this is the reported value. Now compare it with the standard value. So it should be maximum 5, but it is 7.5, means again more than required. One more danger symbol we have got here. Okay, next coming to the cholesterol. The total cholesterol which is to be, okay, between 150 to 200 in a normal healthy person, but the value is crossed more than the standard value. Here 221, again this is one more. Okay, it is showing us it is again something danger. So like this, if you see in the blood report, okay, in the second day, if you see, so there are 3 such type of substances which are at the danger level more than the standard values. Okay, so what are the standard values are given in the last? Compare the value, reported value with the standard value. You can see that what type of problem. By seeing this report, okay, we can say what is that particular person is suffering with. Okay, now same person's urine report you see. Again see the values like in 24 hours. So what is the creatinine level recorded there? So 2.7 milligram per day, but it should have been between 1 to 2 only. 2 should be the maximum, but it has crossed more than that, and it is 2.7 milligrams per day. Again it is a danger symbol. That means he has got some problem related to this one, creatinine. Okay, and next coming to calcium levels. So it should be up to 200, but it is 305 milligrams per day. Again take the uric acid, it should be maximum up to 600, but it is 800 milligrams per day. Okay, then we have got lastly urea, which is to be up to maximum 30, but it is 35 grams per day. So what does this indicate? So by seeing the blood report and urine report, so we can get an idea that this person has got some problem related to the kidneys. So that means a person whose kidneys are not functioning properly, or whose excretory system is not working properly, which are meant to remove the waste materials from time to time. So there comes some problem. So he has got some kidneys problem. So immediately he needs to go for the treatment. So by seeing the most important is this one. This will indicate the functioning of our kidneys. Creatinine level in our body might be in the blood or might be in the urine. That will indicate us. It will give a hint. So immediately we need to move to the doctor consultant. Okay, who is a specialist in this particular thing. Okay, that is kidneys problem. So like this, whatever we have got these particular values, okay, so they are at the danger levels. So it indicates that the malfunctioning of the kidneys, that means functioning of the kidneys is not in a proper way. Okay, just to try to see in the table textbook we have given. So table number 2 and table number 3. Okay, Department of Biochemistry. What are the different type of the substances we have got? Okay, so you can see that glucose we have got. Okay, sodium we have got, potassium, chlorides, urea, and then next creatinine, uric acid, total cholesterol, okay, then triglycerides, then calcium we have got, then apart from that we have got phosphorus, then next pigments like bilirubin, okay, and next we have got the total proteins and albumin. So nearly about 13 to 14 different type of substances are present in our blood. Like that, if you see in the urine report of the patient, so we can see in our body what do we have different type of substances in our urine. So we have got proteins, we have got creatinine, then we have got calcium, okay, then phosphorus, uric acid. Apart from that we have got electrolytes like sodium, potassium. Earlier we have told, so the ionic balance should be maintained. So what type of salts are there? Sodium, potassium, calcium, okay, then next we have got chloride, glucose, okay, finally we have got urea. So if you see almost nearly 10 to 12 items present in blood are same present in the urine, but they should be in the normal range. When they are in the normal range, then only we can say the person is healthy. And if it is something like pointed of this type, okay, which are more than the required standard values, then it is an indication that we need to immediately consult the doctor. So our functioning of the kidneys is not in a proper manner.